Yo, what it do, YouTube, man? I'm back with another video today, man. Tonight, to be exact, Thursday. Just dropped a video today, too. So, man, y'all gonna see this video probably like Sunday or something. They go that boy Mel. Oh, he pulled up with the red bottoms, too, and a couple more guys. But tonight, we got this small meet, man. Everybody getting ready for the mall. We giving back to Lake Charles Saturday, you know what I'm saying? So tomorrow, we meeting up at Kingpin. Everybody bringing water, you know what I'm saying, towels and stuff like that to give back to the people, man. Give them a hand because of the hurricane. Hurricane messed it up down there. So y'all stay tuned for that, man. So I got plenty of content coming, man. I'm going to try to record as much as I can. Mel know finna pull up right now. They're across the street. I don't know if y'all can see him over there now. Let's see, hold on, let's get y'all in focus. See old boy riding green Mel in front of him. But yeah, man, so hold on, let's get this focus good. Alright. But yeah, man, so when they pull up, I'ma record them, you know what I'm saying? Pulling up, everybody clean. We finna pull up at Airborne, that screen. That's what everybody finna meet up at tonight. So y'all stay tuned to the channel, man. Oh yeah, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Get this video a thumbs up, you know what I'm talking about? Go look at the previous videos, man. Drop a comment, drop a like, you know. Do what y'all do best, man. I'm gonna keep dropping these good videos for y'all. But in the meantime, between time, be right back, you dig? Rolling High Squad, man.
No, I really can't complain. Wave. Everything is straight. Wave. I'm in it for keepsake. In the field with the cleat lace. Beat freak with the bare face and a slick tongue, that's what she say. She look good, she a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back.
Man, y'all see the drip, man. What up? Yeah, that boy, that retarded with the red bottles, man. Red with the male bottle, red bottles. 10 inches, y'all. Look at this. 10 inches, man. It's going live, man. Man, out here vlogging tonight. Damn, bro. Y'all see bro got the graphics on it. So it's going crazy, man. But we finna get ready to pull up. Y'all stay tuned. Flow series too. Ooh, I can't wait to get mine. But man, y'all see the drill though, man. Yo, we at the meet. Got the boy back here at the meet. Out here. Boy got some crush over here. Nice F-150.
Oh my God. Yeah, it's like out the middle of nowhere.
Nice. Big boy. God damn. That bitch huge. That bitch sound good talking.
You just don't have all your nerves.
Red bottom. That bit nice. He leads the game. He deep. This your truck? Yeah. That bitch hard. I like them red. That bitch sound good. That bitch hard. Bro, shit clean. Oh man, I like this. Bro just put these on. He had some offsets. Clean Yukon. That bitch hard. Charger, scat pack. Big boy, another big boy. I was about to get these wheels, y'all. Gonna be my first setup. That bit hard.
We got that bitch back, you heard me? I'm about to turn this bitch up. I'm coming for everybody. I'm coming for that one right there. That one right there. I'm just kidding. That's my dog, man. We about to, hey, me and him, we about to run this shit. Hey, we about to run this shit, you
The
heard?
Tahoe's game.
We about to run this bitch.
Tahoe game, yes sir. That boy got that bitch back.
Out of my fucking car!
Hey, burn them bitches.
Last time he got in my car, it was fucking
Yeah. I said we about to run this bitch.
What's this here before that?
You had that bitch today? You got it today?
Huh?
You got it back today?
Yeah.
Shit,
I'm sure right now. It need work, but
Hey, you better watch my fucking $3 million
you already know.
Hey, this the first,
You already know about
this the before right here, y'all. The before.
Oh yeah, so
Wait till the after, man.
we got a
Just wait till the
7 to
after.
9 inch whip on the year.
Yes, sir. That boy there tooted. That bitch tooted. That bitch right. This shit harder than coffee call. Nigga, the new coffee call. God. Man, look at this dude, man. What the hell you doing, man? Come on. Gotta get the interview. Look, Chad jumping truck and shit. What up with him? Yes, sir. Hey, 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 oh, hey, 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 yay, 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 yay.
Oh shit, well, I mean the front, don't get around the front.
Red. Boy, that Sprite killing it, man. You might want to do this to my Be alright, man. Y'all go subscribe. Be alright. Got that bitch smoke out here. That bit ain't bud? Damn, that motherfucker hit bite. Huh? That motherfucker hit.
Blow your shit?
No, fuck no.
You broke
I
your
thought
shit.
that bitch was blow.
I don't break my shit.
Hey, I say, oh,
Hey, I got my timing retarded. I got my timing retarded a little bit so it'll shoot fire.
okay. I broke blow that bitch. I was calling out like, oh shit. We finally out here, Friday night. Y'all see we got the truck loaded. Kingpin SEMA bill here. We got another pallet for the
Hey, we gotta be a thumbnail. Squad to see what's up.
man, yeah, for real.
Squad to see what's up.
For real. I like that. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't never seen it. And I like it. It make the front look taller.
Exactly all I'm trying to tell you. It make a little.
Hey, did they say a time for tomorrow?
I'm about to go ask him right now.
Okay. Yeah, I like this though. Yeah, man, the give back. Everything loaded, some more stuff over there for the give back giveaway. I mean, the give back to Lake Charles. Squad of SEMA truck. What y'all say about that? People steadily pulling in. That's nice. Everybody steadily pulling in for the give back. Everybody pulling in. Come on. Oh, I ain't know they spun. Yeah. That slow-mo gonna be so crazy.
I'm in it for keepsake, in the field with the cleat lace. Beat freak with the bare face and a slick tongue, that's what she say. She look good, she a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back, she bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average, I padded my stats, I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010, yeah, LeBron James off the backboard.